How is a airless pump bottle constructed? Connecting rod PP material. Spring SUS 304 non-rusting. Bonnet POM material. Piston P material. Piston seats POM material. Pump valve plunger P material. Pump body PP material. Gasket P foam material. Built-in compass PP material. Neck ABS material. Nozzle PP material. Bottle PP S PET material. Piston P material. Base ABS material. Fill the liquid and tighten the bottle cap. Cover as material. Let's take a look at how airless pump bottles work. Press the pump body. Bottom piston pushing upwards. Liquid comes out. Airless pump bottle of Songmile Packaging.